Use the booking module for workshops to allow for a quick and easy way to have multiple clients register for a single event. To get started, click the Booking tab, then Create, then Workshop. This will bring up a Create Workshop modal. In this modal, you'll give your workshop a name, set the location, and add a brief description about the workshop. You will then need to specify the amount of spots available for the workshop. Then, set the date range for your workshop. For a multi-day workshop, click on the days that your workshop will take place on under Days Available. Next, set the time range for your workshop. Add your price if you are charging for this workshop. You will need to have a merchant account integrated with ShootQ to see your payment options. You can also upload an image that will show on your client-facing pages. You can then choose different templates that will be sent automatically to your clients who have made reservations. Choose an email template that confirms that they have booked. Select the contract that you would like them to sign before the workshop, and pick if your workshop should be taxed or not. For your last option, you can decide if you would like to see your reservations in your jobs queue. This allows you to use the booking module to create group meetings, like when you want to host an event with other photographers. If the checkbox is selected, a job will be created in your account. When the checkbox is not selected, a job will not be created, only a meeting. Once your workshop has been created, you'll be given a link that you can email, post on your website, or share on social media. Here's what your clients will see. They will see all the information about the workshop. They'll be able to reserve a spot by clicking on the easy-to-read calendar, enter their reservation info, sign a contract if there's a need for one, and make a payment if you are charging for the workshop. Here is a mobile view of what your clients will see. They can also make a reservation off a mobile device. As soon as one of your clients makes a reservation, you'll be able to view them in a list under the booking event. If you have any questions, please chat with our support and they'll be happy to help you. Thanks for watching.